Hey, what's up everybody? In this tutorial series, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Python. And my goal for this is to make it not too long and not too short. I want to teach you guys the concepts, but I don't want to drag it out too long. And I'm going to be using a Mac for this. If you want to use Windows or Linux, you might have to adapt it a little bit, but I'm going to be using Mac OS for this tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. First, go to the python.org website and download Python 3.6.4 or above. We're going to be using Python 3 for this tutorial. There are some slight differences between Python 2.7 and Python 3.6. So if you already have Python 2.7, make sure you install 3.6. And once that's done downloading, I'm sure you guys know how to just drag it into your applications folder and install it. That's really all you gotta do. And then we're going to be using Atom text editor. This is a text editor by GitHub. It's one of the most popular ones out right now, and I really like it. It's got some cool themes. And yeah, we're just going to be working with this one. So once you have both of these downloaded, just go through Python real quick. Yeah, once you have both these downloaded, we're going to be ready to go. And as I said before, guys, I'm not going to make these videos too long. I just want to go through one concept at a time and really give you guys a good foundation in Python. And then maybe we'll move on to more intermediate stuff and maybe even more advanced stuff later on. So let's let this run. Installation was successful. Awesome. And then once Atom installs, just run through the download process and install it. Let me show it to you guys. And I suggest, for our purposes, you're going to want to get terminal and put it in your dock and keep it there. And you're also going to want Atom in your dock as well. So keep it in your dock. Alright, so in the next video we're going to write our first Python program. Let's go ahead and get started.